Heidi here. Welcome to my first sort of vlog. I won't be talking to the camera when I'm out and about. This will be my first time holding my phone to film, so I hope the angle will be okay most of the time. I'm obviously not going to say where I'm going or where I live because safety. It's the 12th of April today, so that's the first day that everything is open again, non-essential retail. So that's why I'm going really early. I'll be in town around 9ish, and then the first hour should be okay, not too busy, and then from 10 o'clock I'll just see how it goes. If it gets really busy really quickly, then I'll just come home because I don't really want to be out when there are loads of people. I'll be taking this bag. This is the bag I usually take thrifting. As you can see, it's quite big. You can just shove loads of stuff in it. And I have got a bag to donate as well, so I'll be taking that. Right, I'll see you later. As you can see, we're now back home. I didn't end up filming that much actually in the shops because I did find quite a few things, so I had my hands full. It started getting quite busy just before I left. I was pretty much done anyway, so that was fine. People were starting to have to queue to get into shops, so I thought it was time to go. I got a few non-clothing items which I will show you first. There's this. I couldn't leave this behind, it was just too cute. This will probably go in my living room somewhere. It can be cuddled every now and again. And it's really nice condition, quite good quality, and $3.75 for this one from Cancer Research. That's where I actually found most of this stuff from. And I also found this little dinosaur. I got him because he's almost, oh wow, very closely the same colour as my wall, as you can see. And I like dinosaurs, so. And look at that cute little face. This one was £1.10. And I found a couple of pieces of jewellery. And it's just chains and links. It's got these tiny ball chain strands with the really fine chain. It'll be quite a nice one to wear on my head as well. And this one was £1, so I bought a castle. Sadly not a full size one. Yeah, I really love castles. I definitely will repaint the gold to silver, so it goes better with all of my other things. I'll probably put this in the living room. And I think it looks like someone stuck a bead on the top there, so I think I'll probably leave it there. Looks quite fun. And this was £3. And I found this necklace. I'm not sure what I'll do with the pink sections. Is that pink? It's like a really orangey pink kind of colour. So I'll probably remove this bit and make something different out of it. And this was $1.25. Now onto clothing. I'm sitting over here so I can, why do I need to explain? You'll see in a minute. First up we have this. It was with bikini bottoms and tops, so I think it probably is a bikini top, but I mean, I'll just wear it as a normal top. This was just £1. Excellent. And it says it's a size 12, but I don't think so. It does have one of those padded bits in the top, but I might cut that out. It depends if it actually works for me or not. And the adjustable straps are good as well. Yeah, I really love this because of the mesh details. I feel like this is probably something that Cyberdog would make, like a similar sort of design. It's originally from Debenhams. Next we have this dress, and the shop that I got this in, I don't normally find that much stuff in, and I almost walked past, but I went in just to have a quick look around, and I found this amazing dress. I really like this kind of satiny canvas sort of fabric. It's very cyberpunk techwear kind of thing, and I just really loved this drawstring detail around the bottom. I'm not sure if I'll wear it done up yet or not, I'll have to see, but that's a really awesome detail. I didn't notice it didn't have a tag in, but the lady at the checkout just said £3, and I was like, yes, thank you. It says Max and Co. I've never heard of that. I haven't seen that before. Do you have any other labels? Tell me your secrets. No? A bit like putting my head in a sleeping bag. Sleeping bag fabric, that's it. It's the same thing. With this lining, okay. Oh right, fabulous. Doesn't really say anything on the label. I don't know, maybe it's a bit of an older item, or maybe it's from a brand that's quite good quality. But yeah, I'm excited to style this and wear this. Being as the lining is cotton, it might be okay for summer. Everything else I found in the same shop. So I found these shorts here. They do say size 12, so I may have to take them in a bit around the waist, we'll have to see. But yeah, I really like these because of all these little details, like the horizontal stitching across here with the zip, and the stitching here as well. And they're not typical denim, they're much softer. They're slightly linen-esque, I think. So this will be nice for summer, I think. These were £2.95, and where are they originally from? Oh, yeah, H&M Divided. And then I just grabbed this nice simple top. It's good to have some basics. I really like that it's got a square neckline. It's just a bit more interesting than a t-shirt. And it's originally by Dorothy Perkins, which again I think is fairly decent quality, and it was £2. Okay, final thing. I definitely saved the best till last here. It's this dress. Look at that. I squealed when I saw this. So it's got this nice satin bit with the lace up, and then a lovely flouncy skirt. I'm wondering if I might need to shorten these a bit, just because I'm not that tall, so this was £4.75. I didn't actually look at the price of this when I picked it up, I just grabbed it immediately, and it's a size 10, so should be fine. And it's by West One. I've never heard of that before. So that's everything that I found today. I did not expect to find this much stuff in one go. It was really, really nice to be able to actually go out and thrift in a charity shop again. I've actually missed it quite a lot. Next time I do a kind of thrift with me video, I'll try and get a little bit more in-store footage. But being as it was my first time filming when out shopping, I just did a little bit just to dip my toe in. I think it will be much easier if I'm with someone else, so then I can just chat to them and the camera, so I think that will be much easier. So I'll probably do that at some point. If you had a favourite item, then let me know what it was down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!